Hi everyone, today I'm making a vase out of a glass jar and polymer clay. Now I started out by covering the glass jar with polymer clay. I didn't show that part because I just wanted to show the fun part of the rainbow coming together. This is pretty much identical to the last vase I made. However, this is the neon version and the other one was pastels. If you want to know how I made these rainbow strips, I have done a tutorial on it. I will link it down below. But yeah, that's all I have to say. So enjoy the video and thank you for watching.